Nothing beats the aroma of freshly made garlic bread, crispy on the edges, soft in the center, and packed with garlicky, buttery goodness. This air fryer garlic bread is quick, easy, and made with homemade garlic confit for a deep, mellow garlic flavor. In just 7 minutes, you'll have a perfectly golden, cheesy delight that pairs beautifully with soups, pasta, or even as a snack. Enjoy this homemade air fryer garlic bread as a side or as a snack on its own. Let's get started. To start, preheat the oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, add the peeled cloves from 1 head of garlic and place them in an oven-safe dish. Cover the garlic with 1/4 cup of olive oil and bake for 45 to 60 minutes or until the garlic is soft and golden. Let it cool completely. This garlic confit adds a rich, sweet depth of flavor to the butter and can be stored in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. Once the garlic confit is ready, remove the stems from a handful of fresh parsley and chop them finely. If you are short on time, you can also cook the garlic in a pan over low heat until it turns golden and tender. In a mixing bowl, mash the soft roasted garlic with a fork. Then add 4 tablespoons of softened unsalted butter, half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, half a teaspoon of dried oregano, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and finally chopped parsley. Stir until well combined and smooth. And mix it with a spoonful of infused oil. Stir until well combined and smooth. If you like a tangy twist, a teaspoon of lemon zest can brighten the flavors. Now take a ciabatta, baguette, or Italian bread and place it on a chopping board. Using a bread knife, slice it in half lengthwise. Spread the prepared garlic butter mixture evenly over the cut sides. If using, sprinkle 1/4 cup of grated or melted parmesan for a rich umami flavor. Followed by 1 cup of grated mozzarella or any pizza cheese for extra cheesiness. Preheat the air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Place the bread in the air fryer basket, cut side up, and air fry for 7 minutes or until the edges are crispy and the cheese is bubbly and golden. If needed, air fry in batches. For an extra crispy texture, leave the bread in the air fryer for another minute or 2. Once done, remove the garlic bread from the air fryer and garnish it with a drizzle of chili oil and a sprinkle of freshly chopped parsley. Slice and serve warm. This homemade air fryer garlic bread makes a fantastic side or snack on its own. If you have leftovers, store them in an airtight container and reheat them in the air fryer for 2 to 3 minutes to restore their crunch. Try this once and you will never go back to store-bought garlic bread. Happy cooking! See you next time!